At work, we tend to use specific jargon to define niche concepts rapidly. Jargon can be helpful because it allows professionals to exchange a code that everyone on the team understands rapidly. However, there are some negatives to jargon use, so let's check them out. Using excessive jargon can create communication barriers in teams, especially when cross-disciplinary work is required. Remember that not everyone will understand your niche words. Excess jargon can also create huge hierarchy boundaries because it operates on the exclusion principle. One study found that low-status team members tend to use jargon to signal their status and access to niche knowledge and sound exclusive. Instead of fighting to use the latest in term, focus on interpersonal connection through clarity.